In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Media Feature Pack in Windows 11. This pack is important because it includes a set of media-related technologies from Microsoft, such as codecs and media playback components, that some versions of Windows 11 don't have by default. Without it, certain apps might not play audio or video correctly, or some media features might simply not work. So, let's walk through how to get it installed in a clear and simple way. First, open your web browser. This can be any modern browser you're comfortable with, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar at the top, type in How to install Media Feature Pack in Windows 11 and press Enter. You'll be taken to a Google search results page. On this results page, you're looking for the official Microsoft documentation or support page related to the Media Feature Pack for Windows 11. It usually has support.microsoft.com in the web address and clearly mentions Media Feature Pack and Windows 11. Click on that official result so you know you're getting accurate instructions and the correct download. Once the Microsoft page opens, take a moment to read the short description. It typically explains which Windows 11 editions need the Media Feature Pack and what it includes. This can help you confirm that this is relevant for your system, especially if you're using a country-specific N edition of Windows, which is often where this pack is required. On the page, you'll usually find a section that explains how to install the pack using the built-in Windows settings, often through optional features. Follow the on-screen guidance there. The key idea is that you won't be manually downloading random files. Instead, you'll be using Windows' own feature management to add the Media Feature Pack safely. If the page offers different versions or mentions specific Windows builds, match the instructions to the version of Windows 11 you're currently running. You can check your version by going to Settings, then System, then About, and looking at the Windows Specifications section. After you've followed the instructions from the Microsoft page, restart your computer if it suggests doing so. When your system comes back up, your media features should be available, and apps that depend on them should work more reliably. That's the complete process for finding the correct official instructions on how to install the Media Feature Pack in Windows 11 using a simple Google search.